wet, I would say. And I hope you can spend with us on your honeymoon on the next trip to California or Caribbean, okay?
Wow.
Look at this, amazing, isn't it? The way this industry, it creates surprises every day. I encounter many good surprises just on the cruise alone. Look at everybody thank to me and wish how thankful they are from using the products. How thankful they are, all of you, for having extra income from LifePharm. This is really the feeling that I cannot express in words, but I truly appreciate, and I truly want to see this to grow even bigger around the world. Again, we have probably signed up about 500,000 distributors for the last 7 years of our business, and now with all capable European IBOs, we're gonna grow even bigger for the next several years. So I'm really happy that you are part of LifePharm, and we are, like everybody said, we are just the beginning of the next big wave. And I really thanks to each and every one of you for being part of LifePharm. So I would like to show you something I think I'm very proud of, and happy to show you the next video that I'm gonna play. As I said many times during my first conversation during the what they call cocktail party, basically you have to start everything from the basic root. Let's take an example. Food, probably we all cook, we all eat, right? You know the difference between quality ingredients and is basically one of the main important success, or the main important quality of whatever you cook. So LifePharm products start with, of course, very high quality ingredients, and ingredients alone is not enough. Just like you all cook, ingredients alone is not enough. You have to mix it in the correct way. You have to cook it at the right time, and many times you have to also serve it at the right presentation, because sometimes it helps to improve, sometimes visual will improve the taste of the food. Just like we have seen that a lot of coffee shops around us, right? They all start the same coffee bean, but the way they roast it, the way they blend it with other ingredients such as milk, sugar, whatever, makes the difference on each coffee shop. What I'm gonna show you is something which I, again, very proud to present it to you about this video that we have been working on.
Hi, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I have a PhD in biology from the University of California, Irvine. I've worked quite a bit in the field of stem cell regeneration, over 18 years of stem cell regeneration, cell biology in general. And here at Da Vinci Biosciences, we are a reference lab that does quite a bit of work for different companies to test different various products on a regular basis. So what we're going to discuss today is a particular product called laminine from LifePharm, and this product is a capsule that you take on a regular basis. The reason why we're discussing this is because they came to us and said, we'd like to test this product. We've been having phenomenal results on different individuals on it. So how can we actually test this? So what we did here was we actually got together, gathered my group of scientists, my cell biologists, and we all got together and discussed what do we need to do to demonstrate what is in the product, is it safe, and somewhat how does it work? How does this work? How does it make individuals feel better? Or what's the possible mechanism of how this stuff works? Cells in our body are actually the basic functional unit that's in your body that actually helps you to maintain health, helps you to maintain what's called homeostasis, your regular normal physical activity. These things turn over on a regular basis. And the way that works is the majority of our cells in our body, they actually divide, and as they divide, they actually age. They only have a finite amount of divisions. What occurs is within the actual cell, which we'll describe a little bit more detail of this, we have these things called telomeres inside on the chromosomes. Telomeres are on the ends of chromosomes. These are things like shoelaces that basically look at the end of the shoelaces, the caps on them, and they're plastic capped, and these are coated. As a cell divides, these become shorter and shorter, and your telomeres become shorter and shorter. What does that mean for you? It basically means as these things divide and the telomeres become shorter and shorter, at some certain point they become what's called critically short telomeres. And when they become critically short telomeres, scientists now know that this is part of aging. This is natural aging that occurs. However, there's a direct correlation that the shorter the telomere and the more what's called critically short telomeres is there a direct correlation with aging and disease. Well, we talk about what type of disease. Number one, we talk about dementia. Number two, heart disease, cancer, etc. So the shorter the telomere, the more prone you are to actually obtain these type of diseases. And these are naturally occurring aging diseases. So we looked at telomerase activity because this is a gauge of what's going on in your body, and if we can increase this telomerase activity, we now know that this can actually help maintain your telomeres from being cut and being short. The product increases telomerase activity. What does that mean for you? Is that your telomeres will be maintained, and you can maintain youth better this way.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. I knew something must be there in Limonine because a lot of people experience good result with Limonine, but I do not know what is exactly caused. The video that you just saw give you the answer. So, just to continue a little bit about just now about the ingredients I'm talking about. A lot of companies claim their products doing this, doing that. Most of them, they're talking about the certain one or two ingredients in the product. But for us, LifePharm, that study that you just saw is the actual laminin capsule which you have been consuming, which you have experienced the benefits. That is why you experience that benefit because it helps to grow the telomere. So just as I mentioned about the ingredients, and I give example of the food because a lot of people may want to try to copy. Copy is always be a copy, will never be the same. I'm sure some of you try some food or cake, very delicious, even though they give you the ingredients, but you can never make it the same, right? Okay, so this study really will help us to be the next level. So I am so happy and so proud to discover that this lab give us the answer why Limonine helps a lot of people.